Hey ladies, it's me. I have a new kit, and the only thing that has changed is instead of 4 pieces of ribbon, you're gonna get 4 pieces of elastic and 2 drawstring stoppers. You're going to treat them as the same as your ribbon. You lay your ribbon down and you go this way and you sew on the edge. The same will be for the elastic. You will get your elastic like this, and then you will need to tie a knot on one end as close to the end as you can, and then we're going to lay it where the knot is off the fabric just like we would the ribbon, and we're going to sew. We're just going to tack the elastic to all 4 corners of the mask. It's best and easy if you put the knot to the outside of your foot, not the inside. It will do a whole lot better with the knot on the outside. And I go over this a couple of times to just kind of really tack it in place. And then we're going to do that on all 4 corners. After you tack down all 4 of your elastic, you take your outer face mask, put right side to right side, same thing. Just make sure all your elastic, just like your ribbon, is pulled down to one end. And then you sew around your mask, just like the other video. So now we've sewn around all the way around our mask, so it will look like this with 2 knots hanging out of one end and then all your elastic coming out the other end. Turn to my mask inside out, and nothing's changed here. You will then insert your nose piece and then fold this in and sew on the side. That is all still the same. The thing that is different is you attach your drawstring stopper. This is a little tricky. You have to squeeze your stopper and insert one at a time. So once you get one inserted, you have to really pull down. Hold on. You have to pull with one hand and squeeze to make room for this second one to push through. So this hand is really squeezing and pulling the rubber, the elastic this way, and squeezing to get this second one in here. And then you have your drawstring stopper ready, and then you just knot it at the end. This is a lot easier than tying masks for the elderly as well. They can just slip it right on and have it ready to fit. Thank you all for your help.